The moment you were all waiting for is here. Anthropic launched their two frontier model, Fable and Mythos. Fable is actually the Mythos-class capability, but with the safeguards. Have this 1 million token context, which is now comes as a standard, and there's a long horizon work. It can go on days working on your specific goal. So what are the key features of Fable? So first is obviously the frontier coding, and there's a state-of-the-art vision and the precise number from the scientific figures. There's a memory and long context, which we all talk about, knowledge work. It is the first model to break 90% on Hex Core Analytics Eval, and there's a long horizon autonomy, which I already talked about, and scientific research as well. Why two models? The difference is only the safeguard. So Fable 5 detects high risk requests in the field of cybersecurity, biology, chemistry, and distillation, and it detects that in the prompt and it offload that task to 4.8. Because the model at this capability level, it can cause serious issues to the web, to the application, to the data which is already there. So that's why they keep it under this safeguard in these areas, but it is lifted for trusted use for limited organization. How you can access it? You can access that using your Pro Max team only until 2nd of June. After that, it will consume API cost. So, but they also specify that it will see the usage of this model. If they offer that into the subscription model, then they will continue to do, but for now it is only available until 22nd of June. And look at the pricing, it's double of the Opus. $10 input tokens, 50 output tokens. What areas we are going to cover in this video? So what I will cover into the first is one short full app. Just give it a one prompt and let's see how it actually builds it. And there's a screenshot to app. So that screenshot is not just a random screenshot from the web, but it will be a detailed flowchart using Excalidraw. So I will download that Excalidraw drawing and I'll input that into the Mythos. Let's see what it can do. And there is a Mac app I'm going to create with the multiple system APIs to use. So there also the security testing, which I'm going to do that live. Let's go to the first is one shot app. So this is the prompt that I want to build a real-time cam motion detection app that detects motion, facial expression, and sleep detect, and provides warning when I'm sleepy. So it just give it a warning like that. Let's run this, and there you go. So this is a matrix theme that I just add that into my prompt. So it will detect motions live, initialize camera. So as you can see, it's doing it in real time. I'm just waving my hand. It's just add that emotion of hello, and let's see thumbs up. Yeah, there you go, and thumbs up, and I'm looking surprised. You can see the mood meter here, it's on real time. It's also have this yawn meter, so whenever I yawn, it will just keep on increasing that sleep monitor. So let's see, you can see this, and it keep on increasing it. Everything is working, and let's see, click on run simulation. So it will simulate it. So this will be the expression. These are the things that it can do, and when I feel sleepy, it will tell it to wake it up. So this is actually mind-blowing with the one prompt, and I couldn't do that with the Opus 4.8. Required multiple of iterations to get that right. So coming forward to the next is the screenshot to the app. So here is the Excalidraw, which is a flowchart of my AI SaaS app that I just made it to test the Fable 5's understanding of vision to code. So here I says the user will land on login, sign up, and error forgot password, and if successful, that user to the dashboard, and the dashboard will look like this. So also I specified the colors it need to use. Then it has all the AI tools here, then the recent generation of AI tools, sidebar on the left, and what are the tool pages. So 3 tool pages, which is AI image generator, AI chat, and AI audio generator. So what are the options for AI image generator? So I have this image to image, aspect ratio, prompt selector, and there is AI chat, web search, attachment, and history. And for the AI audio gen, text to audio, real-time audio, and audio to text. And there's also a profile settings that I want is basic name, profile, email, and the API keys to be enabled for the OpenAI, which has all the model for the AI chat, image gen, and audio gen. So this is a standard flow or idea, and now to convert that, I just export that to the image and then brought it to the Claude code. Just 3-word prompt, create this app. So here, if we look at the logs here, yes, I will build this, and scaffold done, the basic is done. Now it's running, and it also checked using the Claude Chrome browser, and it provided me all the details about it. Let's start this app. npm run dev, and here we got our URL. Let's go to the URL here. It's perfect as per our flowchart. So first is SaaS, and let's create account, or let's test the not successful one. Let's add something like, yeah, so it's invalid, forgot password. So there is a forgot password page as well. So now let's log in to here. This is perfect. This is what I want. So first is welcome the user, pick a tool before starting. So these are the two tools that we have. We have a profile settings as well, AI chat, AI image generator. So all the images will be here. Audio generator, text to real-time audio as well to start the voice session. So before that, we need to input our open API key. Enter that here, click on save. Now it's loading models. So these are the models that is available right now. And let's check out 5.5, click on save model. That's it. And let's click on the AI chat, and here we have the web search as well, and this is the attachment. So let's see if attachment is working. So let's say, what is this image about? Oh, this is indeed working. So attachment and the API is working right now. And let's see the web search. When did Anthropic Fable 5 launched? And let's see if it can do that. June. Wow. So it successfully built the AI chat with all the features. Attachment is working, web search is also working. This is incredible. And let's go to the image generator here, and let's say a girl with flower in hand in middle of pavement, just a random one. So let's click on generate, and there's also a 20 ready-made prompts that we can use. So let's see if the image is working. Oh yes, so it also worked. So let's add the upload like this. I will say remove text, transform image. So let's see if it can do that. Oh yes, it did. It removed the text and revert me the rest of the image. And let's go to the audio generator. So let's add, hey, my name is Raman from promptslove.com. Click on generate speech. Okay, it's working, and I think it should be working. Audio to text. I didn't add the record button, so it did by itself. So this is a plus sign. Hello, my name is Raman. Now it's transcribing it. Wow, great. And let's look at the real-time audio. Hi, hello. Hi, my name is great. So real-time audio chat is also working. So this is all from the whole working app like this. No other model can do this. So this is a great plus for Fable 5. Let's move forward to the next, which is the desktop app creation using multiple system APIs. Mac OS has this system APIs that they can give access to the apps to work around different systems. For example, here I ask it to create a DeepBlock Electron app, which is a focus blocker. So for this, they need to have the access to the hosts which blocks across the app that restart, reboots, and reinstalls, and also need access to the top bar menu API. So this is the whole prompt that I ask it to create, and here is the app. So it built this app with just one prompt, no iteration. It built that, verify that, and then only it present that app to me. Let's check this out. So this is a DeepBlock focus timer. So it has the commitment mode. If I enable this and start the timer, the session cannot be paused or stopped. So I have to complete the session on that specific timer, which obviously I'm not going to do that, because for this, let's do with the focus timing. And there's a list of blocks sites. So I've also added my own site. So let's see if it's working or not. But before that, let's see the helper is installed in the settings. So here we have the focus duration. We can customize this, long break, short break, and number of sessions we do daily, and auto start break. There's the session goals, and you can see the helper is active again. So let's test this out. Let's click on start focus, and now it's all blocking. So let's go to this site. So there you can see it's all blocked, reddit.com. If I just pause that, and then I think I will be able to, let's go to my website. So yeah, now it's working. So the blocking is working. Short break, long break, we already knew. And there's also have a statistics section. So with all the graphs, you can develop any kind of Mac app using this method. So you don't need to buy any apps for your Mac or your Windows. Just plug in Claude. You can build your own stack So now coming forward to the last is security testing my app. So here I've already logged into my terminal, and let's select the model Fable 5, and Fable 5 is selected. So here's the prompt. I will say I want you to security test for this domain and penetrate to find abilities and lay out detailed report for the same. Just a simple prompt. Okay, so safety ensure flag this message for cybersecurity. So we cannot use this as even for penetration or vulnerability testing. So there it is. We cannot use Fable 5 for security testing our own app. So this is about Fable 5. So what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment box. So in my opinion, it's actually very powerful if you're going to create a software, if you're going to create an app with complex nature. So this is just for the coding part, but it can be used for a variety of use cases. For example, for scientific papers, for scientific coding and other high level stuff. But my field is coding, so I just did that for that specific use case. And now looking forward to my usage, if I go to the settings, go to the usage. So I didn't use any Claude this week. After building 3 apps, so it consumed all of my credits, so it go on to consuming the extra usage I have. So you can see for the weekly usage I have consumed around 11%. So there's that. So I'm on the Claude Max $100 plan. So this is about Fable 5. It is expensive, to be honest. On the Opus 4.8 I never go out of my credits even while building 6 or 7 apps. So there you can see it's double of the Opus, and I think it's way expensive. I don't think you should move on from the 4.8. I want to use Fable 5 only for the security testing and penetration because it's built on the basis of that. If that's not there, I don't think I'm going to use a double of credits just for the sake of coding like this, because I can do that with the help of 4.8 as well. This is my opinion. So what do you think about it? Let me know in the comment box, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.